subscribe, like, quickly!
Today, we decided to make watermelon, a fruit that comes to mind when we think of summer. We are going to make watermelon slime. Are you ready, friends? Let's go! I got my pencil ready for sketching. The sketch should be just enough to get a rough idea of the size and shape. Use a black pen to draw the lines. You can also draw detailed lines at this time. This is a picture of the cute Peppa Pig family playing in the water. Try making it with characters that your friends like too. Now let's color in the Peppa Pig family picture. Imagine your friends playing in the water and have fun coloring together. Paint cute dinosaur tubes. Yes! Color Peppa Pig. I'll make it with a watermelon tube. I'm going to color Mommy Pig. Mommy Pig is preparing some delicious watermelon. As expected, eating cool watermelon is the best thing to do in summer. Oh, that looks delicious, yummy! Watermelon juice must be delicious too, right? Now it's time to coat it with transparent tape. We will attach tape to both the front and back sides. Cut out the drawings with scissors. Please prepare 2 square pieces of paper measuring 16 centimeters in length and width. First, fold the green paper into a triangle shape. Fold the large triangle in half to make a small triangle. Open one triangle and fold it into a square. Turn the paper over so that the other side is also square. Fold the top sheet of paper in half to form a triangle. Turn it over and fold the other side as well. Please show me the flat surface. Your friends can easily fold it too. Let's fold paper together. Let's fold both sides along the vertical dotted line to make an ice cream cone. Now fold the bottom point and the top point together. Fold in the triangle shape that sticks out from the horizontal line. Please tidy up the folding area well. Turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. Hey friends! Are you keeping up? If you find it difficult, watch the video repeatedly and you will understand it better. Turn one page to the left and turn one page on the back so that the flat surface is visible. Fold the paper down along the horizontal dotted line. Fold the folded paper again along the horizontal line. Unfold the folded part and insert it inside the horizontal line. Let's flip it over and fold it again. Turn it downward to form an X shape. Insert your fingers and slowly spread them apart. Once the square shape is well defined, flip it over and make sure the corners of the bottom are well defined. I'll press down firmly on the corners. I finished finish the bottom part of the watermelon. Fold the horizontal dotted line in half. Fold it in half again to form a small triangle shape. Lift one side and join the two corners together to form a rectangle. Turn it over and repeat. After making a square, make sure that the open part faces upward. Let's try folding ice cream again. Please fold the horizontal line. Please turn it over and repeat again. This is the same as green origami. Fold the paper along the top horizontal line. Put your finger in the middle and unfold the folded part. Spread both sides to form a triangle shape. Fold the small triangle at the top inward. Please do the same thing in reverse. Hold the folded center and spread it out to form a rhombus shape. Fold one sheet downward. Fold both sides outward to form a pointed shape like an ear. It's time to do the opposite. Now fold all four ear flaps that were folded outward inward. Folding red paper can be a little difficult. Take it slowly, one step at a time, and you'll succeed. Now place a sheet of paper on top and insert it inside. When changing direction, it is recommended to rearrange the folded parts. Insert the paper in the opposite direction as well. Finally, press down firmly with your hands to smooth out any creases. Okay, let's combine the two to see what shape they make. How is it? The watermelon shape turned out well, didn't it? Something feels missing, doesn't it? I'll draw lots of black watermelon seeds. I'll draw a cute face too. Draw watermelon stripes on green paper. I drew stripes on all four sides. This is the galaxy slime to put in watermelon. It looks just like the color of watermelon, doesn't it? Let's play with the slime for a while. I stretch it, squish it, and touch it. It's cool to the touch. It feels good. Now, let's put it in. Put the slime in and add Jorge Pig. I'll put the slime in another watermelon case I made. I'll fold up the Peppa Pig picture and put it away for you. Put Peppa Pig inside a watermelon. Oh, Mommy Pig is looking for the children. Wow, I'm so jealous of the Peppa family playing in the watermelon. How did you like the watermelon squishies, friends? If you enjoyed it, Please subscribe and like it. Stay tuned to see what we'll be making next.